Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best outlet cover screws is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential components in maintaining a safe and aesthetically pleasing home environment, often taken for granted until a loose plate disrupts the visual harmony or, worse, poses a minor safety hazard. These small but mighty fasteners are the unsung heroes that keep your electrical outlets and switches securely in place, preventing them from dangling precariously and ensuring a clean, finished look throughout your living spaces. In this video, we'll delve into what makes a great set of outlet cover screws and help you find the perfect ones to secure your home. Number 5. BESTTEN 20-pack Screwless Decorative Wall Plate. Elevate your home's interior with a modern design that enhances both the look and feel. Its smooth, gloss finish not only adds a touch of elegance but also makes cleaning a breeze. Unlike traditional sandwich designs, this wall plate features a seamless edge. This innovative construction prevents dust from accumulating, maintaining a cleaner and more polished appearance. Replacing your old wall plates is simple. The outer cover can be effortlessly removed using a screwdriver in the designated pry slot at the bottom. Measuring at 4.69 inches in height and 2.91 inches in width, it offers greater coverage than standard plates. This ensures a clean finish, hiding more of your wall space. Available in different series and colors, including snow white, you can find the perfect match for your existing outlets and switches. Select the right series, color, finish, and gang to complete your look. What we like. This offers a sleek, modern look with its screwless design and smooth finish. It's easy to clean and covers more space than standard plates. If you're looking for a clean, minimalist aesthetic and want to easily update the look of your walls, this is a great choice. What people say. The screws are made of durable metal and have a smooth finish. They fit perfectly into standard outlet covers and are easy to install. The pack includes a good quantity of screws from multiple projects. Number 4. Mr. Penn 370 PCS Machine Screw Assortment Kit. Introducing the Mr. Penn Machine Screw Assortment Kit, featuring 370 essential pieces for your home or workplace. These screws are perfect for securely fastening metal parts together. Our zinc-plated screws offer exceptional durability and longevity. With 6 commonly used sizes, they provide the variety you need for any project, working seamlessly with nuts or threaded receptacles. The Phillips flathead design ensures stability, especially for projects requiring multiple fasteners like electrical connections. It also allows for a flush finish, preventing any protruding hazards. Installation is quick and easy. Simply place it into a pre-tapped hole for a secure fit. For best results, pair them with nuts of the same material and finish. Built to withstand extreme conditions, these screws resist rust and corrosion, even in high humidity. The zinc plating adds an extra layer of protection against daily wear and tear. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit with 370 pieces in the most common size, featuring a durable zinc-plated finish. The flathead design allows for a flush finish, preventing protrusions. If you're an electrician, a DIY enthusiast, or need a reliable supply of versatile screws for various projects, this assortment is ideal. What people say. The screws are made of durable material and have a smooth finish. They fit perfectly into standard outlet covers and are easy to install. The pack comes with a generous quantity, enough for multiple rooms. Number 3. Henne Bery Oval Head Wall Plate Screws. Introducing the Henne Bery Oval Head Wall Plate Screws. These are designed for a perfect fit and easy replacement. With a 3/8-inch length and a standard 6-32 thread, they provide a secure and reliable connection for your wall plates. Crafted from durable carbon steel, these screws are built to last and resist wear and tear. The clean white finish ensures they blend seamlessly with your existing decor, offering a subtle and professional look. This convenient 50-piece pack ensures you have enough for multiple projects, all packaged neatly in a poly bag. Their milled slot design makes installation a breeze, allowing for quick and efficient mounting. What we like. This pack provides 50 white oval head screws, specifically designed for wall plates. They have a standard 6-32 thread and are made of carbon steel for durability. If you need a simple, cost-effective solution for replacing white wall plate screws and prefer a classic oval head, this is a practical option. What people say. These outlet cover screws are a lifesaver for keeping outlet covers securely in place, preventing them from falling off. The screws are designed with a smooth finish that doesn't snag on clothing or create sharp edges, making them safe for homes with children. Installation is straightforward, and the screws fit standard outlet boxes without any issues, ensuring a snug and stable fit for the cover plates. Number 2. Bates Assorted Size Wall Plate Screws, 75 pack. This pack includes 75 silver wall plate screws in a variety of assorted sizes. They are perfect for replacing old or missing screws on your wall plates. Featuring a slotted oval head, these screws are designed for easy installation and a secure fit. They are ideal for replacing decorative screws and ensuring a clean look. These versatile screws are compatible with many different devices and wall plates. They provide a reliable solution for light switches and outlet covers. With a clean white painted finish and a slotted head, they blend seamlessly with your existing decor. They offer a neat and tidy appearance. These screws are an ideal addition to any DIY home repair kit. They are also a must-have for electricians and contractors for various construction needs. What we like. This set includes 75 silver wall plate screws in assorted sizes with white painted slotted oval heads. They are versatile and compatible with many devices and wall plates. If you're a handyman or contractor looking for a variety of sizes and a classic look for repairs and installations, this pack offers good value. What people say. The screws are made of durable metal and have a smooth finish. They fit perfectly into standard outlet covers and are easy to install. The pack includes a good quantity of screws for multiple projects. Number 1. 100 packs wall plate screws. Never struggle to find the right screw again. This pack includes 100 screws in 4 convenient lengths, ensuring you have the perfect fit for any wall plate. Enhance the look of your outlets and switches. These screws feature a clean white finish and an elegant slotted oval head for a polished appearance. Built to last, these screws are crafted from high-quality carbon steel. They are sturdy, durable, and designed for long-term use. Ideal for both home and office, these screws are perfect for replacing old, lost, or unsightly screws. They provide a neat and secure finish. Keep your screws organized and easily accessible. The included plastic box makes storage and transport simple and efficient. Before purchasing, please ensure your wall plate is compatible with our #6-32 thread size. This guarantees a perfect match for your needs. What we like. You get 100 screws in 4 different lengths with a #6-32 thread, featuring an elegant slotted oval head with white paint. They are made of sturdy carbon steel. If you need a wide range of lengths for various wall plate thicknesses and appreciate a clean, high-quality appearance, this set is a great choice. What people say. The screws are made of durable metal and have a smooth finish. They fit perfectly into standard outlet covers and are easy to install. The pack contains a generous amount of screws, enough for multiple projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.